It seems as if nothing brings together men of competing ideologies closer than their shared mistrust of women asserting their agency. First up, on Wednesday, the KP Assembly unanimously passed a resolution condemning Aurat March that was observed across Pakistan on March 8. First up, the resolution was presented by a woman parliamentarian from the MMA, levelling charges of obscenity against the protesters and their use of certain placards and slogans during the marches. First up, the parliamentarians referred to the women who consisted of a cross section of society belonging to a range of professions of varying education levels as shameless. First up, they complained that these handful of women and men were out to destroy the institution of the family and were part of an insidious conspiracy to destroy the very fabric of the nation. First up, as hyperbolic as they may sound to more level-headed readers, none of these reactions are particularly new or shocking. First up, such accusations have always been leveled against women's movements both within and outside this country in every decade. First up, each time women have collectively taken a stand against the injustices faced by their gender or demanded equality in the eyes of the law and society, they have faced a backlash from reactionary forces. First up, but perhaps the most peculiar of the complaints was with regard to one of the placards in Karachi that read, "Find your own socks," an innocuous, non-threatening and light-hearted message, one would think. First up, and yet a KP parliamentarian felt affected enough to voice his concerns about the cruelty of expecting him to find his own socks at his age. First up, unlike the Aurat March of last year, which was only held in Karachi and where Christmas were largely restricted to social media